Hi, this is Jordan with MESA. Today, we'll go over how to use the MESA time travel feature in a workflow. Time travel is a feature within MESA that allows you to add any orders, customers, products, or refunds that were processed in Shopify prior to you adding and enabling a MESA workflow. This is a great tool to backfill historical data that didn't automatically make it into your automation because it was processed before you got things set up and enabled. To showcase this feature, I've installed the Send Shopify Orders to Google Sheets template and completed the setup. Since I've installed and set this workflow up today, February 2nd, 2023, my workflow will only send orders to my Google Sheet from this point forward when enabled. Now, since I want to reference Shopify orders on my store from before today's date, I will need to use time travel to pull in those old orders. There are a few things to note about time travel before getting started. Time travel currently only supports pulling records from Shopify, but stay tuned for future releases of additional third-party app support. Additionally, premium apps are currently unavailable with time travel. This means you will not be able to run time travel with a workflow that contains SMS or email steps. Now, the time travel feature can be located in a workflow within the Activity tab, with its own designated tab labeled Time Travel. Once there, I'll review a few safety checks that are vital to perform before running the time travel. First, I've confirmed that my workflow is fully configured and running as expected. I've already had a successful test run in the activity to be sure. Then, I've confirmed my workflow is enabled. With both checks complete, I'm ready to go. I'll start by configuring my time travel. In the number selector, I can select the number of historical records I want to run my time travel for. The current limit is 10,000 records per time travel session. Next, I'll select the time period that I want to pull the records from. I can select all time to retrieve as many records as possible, or select a range of dates by choosing Custom in the selector. For this workflow, I'll choose all time as my range. With that selected, I'll preview the records to confirm the time frame and number of records selected are correct. The preview is accurate based on my store's order history, so now I'll click the Start Time Travel button to get this running. Once that's been started, time travel will begin processing records from newest to oldest. The time travel may take some time to complete based on the number of records selected. When busy with other responsibilities, I can check in periodically to see if the time travel is still processing, and if I choose not to wait things out, I can close my screen and return at a later time. With the time travel complete, I can see all of my old records updated in my Google Sheet from the workflow, exactly as I was looking for. When using this feature, if you ever believe your time travel has paused, or if you have any questions along the way, please do not hesitate to contact our support team for assistance. Happy time traveling!